Diabetes can hide dangerous threats in your body that you might not even know about. In this video, we're uncovering 6 hidden dangers of diabetes that could be putting your health at risk. Stay tuned, this information is crucial. Number 1. Silent heart disease. One of the most insidious complications of diabetes is cardiovascular disease that can develop without obvious symptoms. This silent threat is particularly dangerous because it may progress unnoticed until a major event occurs. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, 2019, people with diabetes have a 2 to 4 times higher risk of heart disease compared to those without diabetes. High blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels and nerves that control the heart, leading to atherosclerosis, a buildup of plaque in the arteries. This process can occur gradually over years, often without causing noticeable symptoms. Recognizing this hidden danger empowers individuals to take proactive steps, such as maintaining tight glucose control, adopting a heart-healthy diet, and undergoing regular cardiovascular screenings. Early detection and management can significantly reduce the risk of severe cardiac events and improve overall quality of life. Number 2. Nerve damage, neuropathy. As we continue, please subscribe to this channel if you're finding this video helpful. Thank you. Diabetes can quietly attack your nervous system, leading to a condition called diabetic neuropathy. This sneaky complication affects up to 50% of people with diabetes, according to a comprehensive review in Nature Reviews Endocrinology, 2020. High blood sugar levels damage the tiny blood vessels that nourish your nerves, particularly in your feet and hands. Over time, this can cause numbness, tingling, or even burning pain. What makes this danger so hidden is that it often develops gradually, with symptoms easy to dismiss or overlook. Knowing about this risk is crucial because early detection can prevent severe consequences like foot ulcers or amputations. By maintaining good blood sugar control, having regular checkups, and performing simple at-home foot examinations, you can catch and address nerve issues before they become serious. This awareness empowers you to take proactive steps, potentially saving your limbs and preserving your quality of life. Number 3. Kidney disease. A silent threat to your health may be brewing in your kidneys if you have diabetes. According to a landmark study in the New England Journal of Medicine, 2016, about 40% of people with diabetes develop kidney disease, often without realizing it. High blood sugar levels can damage the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste from your blood. This damage can occur slowly over years, with no obvious symptoms until the disease is advanced. Knowing about this hidden danger is crucial because early detection can slow or even halt its progression. Regular kidney function tests, maintaining good blood sugar control, and managing blood pressure can significantly reduce your risk. By staying informed and proactive, you can protect these vital organs and avoid complications like kidney failure or the need for dialysis. Taking action now can preserve your kidney health and overall well-being for years to come. Number 4. Retinopathy. Your eyes could be silently suffering from the effects of diabetes without you noticing. A comprehensive study published in The Lancet, 2021, found that diabetic eye disease affects nearly 1/3 of all people with diabetes. High blood sugar levels can damage the tiny blood vessels in your retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye. This damage, known as diabetic retinopathy, often develops without early warning signs. As it progresses, it can lead to blurry vision, dark areas in your vision, or even blindness if left untreated. The good news is that knowing about this hidden danger allows you to take action. Regular eye exams can catch problems early when they're most treatable. By controlling your blood sugar and blood pressure, you can significantly reduce your risk of vision loss. Understanding this threat empowers you to protect your sight and maintain your independence and quality of life for years to come. Number 5. Cognitive decline. Your brain's health might be at risk if you have diabetes, even if you don't notice any changes right away. A groundbreaking study in The Lancet Diabetes Endocrinology, 2020, revealed that people with type 2 diabetes have a 60% higher risk of developing dementia compared to those without diabetes. High blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels in the brain, potentially leading to reduced blood flow and gradual cognitive impairment. This can affect memory, thinking speed, and decision-making skills over time. The sneaky nature of this threat means it often goes unnoticed until significant changes occur. Knowing about this risk empowers you to take proactive steps. Maintaining good blood sugar control, staying physically active, and engaging in mentally stimulating activities can help protect your brain health. Regular checkups and early intervention can slow or even prevent cognitive decline, helping you maintain your mental sharpness and independence as you age. Number 6. Fatty liver disease. Your liver might be silently accumulating fat if you have diabetes, posing a serious health risk. A comprehensive study in the Journal of Hepatology, 2018, found that up to 70% of people with type 2 diabetes develop non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This condition occurs when excess fat builds up in liver cells, often without causing noticeable symptoms in its early stages. Over time, it can lead to liver inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. The connection lies in insulin resistance, which affects both blood sugar control and fat metabolism in the liver. Awareness of this hidden danger is crucial because early detection can prevent severe liver damage. By maintaining a healthy weight, following a balanced diet, and keeping blood sugar levels in check, you can significantly reduce your risk. Regular liver function tests and ultrasounds can catch problems early. Understanding this threat empowers you to protect your liver health and overall well-being, potentially avoiding serious complications down the road. Staying vigilant about these hidden diabetes dangers is crucial for your long-term health. Regular checkups, maintaining good blood sugar control, and a healthy lifestyle are your best defenses. Remember, early detection and management can prevent or slow the progression of these complications. Take charge of your health, your future self will thank you. You might also want to watch this video on other hidden diabetes dangers lurking in your body. And please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.